Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can turn your Python scripts into .exe files so that you can easily share them out with your friends and family. To package your Python script into an executable file, you're going to need PyInstaller. Let's install this now. So just open up your terminal and then run the following command: pip install PyInstaller. Next up, if you're going to be using a custom icon like I am, you're going to want to create this in Photoshop or whatever editing tool you choose. I've taken this icon here from the internet, but feel free to create your own in whatever method you choose. One thing to note is that you're going to want to make sure the image is sized at 256 by 256 pixels, as this is the maximum resolution that .ico files can support. Lastly and most importantly, just make sure that your icon is saved with the .ico extension, as this is what will allow us to use it as an app icon. Cool. You're also going to want to make sure that your script is working as expected. In my case, my little Python game is working exactly as planned. Cool. Now that we've got PyInstaller installed, let's run the following command in our terminal or command prompt to wrap this up into an exe file. We're going to do pyinstaller --one file --icon equals caterpillar.ico, or whatever your .ico file is named, --no console, and then we're going to save it as whatever the name of our script is. So a brief explanation of the flags just while we're waiting for this to compile. So we're doing one file. What that does is it packages everything into a single executable. Icon equals caterpillar.ico is us manually setting a custom icon for the app, and --no console just prevents the console from opening upon the app launch. After running this command, PyInstaller creates several folders. Your final executable is going to be located in the dist folder. One thing to fix is that because this is in the incorrect folder where the script isn't located, we're going to get an error, as we can see here when we try open it. So in order to fix this, it's really simple. We're just going to move it out of dist and then into our main repository where our script lives. Once we've got it in there, like I have here, we're able to double click and the script runs as normal as an exe file. Awesome. You've now created a .exe file from your Python script that you can share out with your friends. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.